ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವ ಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam 4th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Sati Devi, in that assembly of Daksha, she gave up her body. She burnt out her own body with Yoga Agni. The entire universe got shocked to see that. Sati Devi is the spouse of Devata Srestha Paramashiva, and she, because she is mad at Daksha, she burnt out her own body. Daksha did insulted Sati Devi to that extent. That is very bad. Soyam durmarsha hrudayaha. Daksha's heart is like a stone. There is no compassion in Daksha's heart. Brahmadhruk, he is not deserved to be a Brahmana. And because Daksha did such a grave mistake towards his own daughter, because he did not even stop his own daughter when she is committing suicide, because Daksha, he has so much of hatredness towards Paramashiva. With all these mistakes, Daksha soon going to be defamed so badly. He is such a grave sinner. He is very egoistic. Like that, all the people are talking about Daksha. Now, in that assembly, while Daksha is constantly seeing Sati Devi burnt out, and those who came along with Sati Devi, Paramashiva's followers, could not tolerate that. And they all have taken their weapons and about to kill Daksha. Then the Bhrigu Maharshi, who was there in that assembly, has noticed that, and immediately Maharoshamutoda Bhrigu Mahamuni Kratu Sammaraka Maraka Magu Abhichara Homam Bonarche Yajnaghnaghena Yajusha Dakshinagnav Juhavaha. Immediately, Bhrigu Mahamuni performed one homam in Dakshinagni while chanting Rakshoghna Suktam, Rakshoghna mantras, and he created some of the devatas, thousands of the devatas who are named after Rubhu devatas. He created all those devatas who will be able to kill all those who are going to destroy Daksha's yajnam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.